Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My writings in the 90s include this little book, Hajj and Umrah according to the Quran and the Sunnah. Now this book has almost 200 pages. It was put together based on Shaykh Nasiruddin al-Albani's book on Hajj and Umrah according to Quran and Sunnah. It's not a translation, but it is an English explanation of that text. It was done in this small size to make it easy for people to just put it in their pockets. People going for Hajj could easily take it. And it was published by the International Islamic Publishing House. They have been publishing it over the years and distributing it for the Hajj. Later on, many other pocket-sized versions were done, but it served the purpose of its time, and we pray that all those who benefited from it would continue to benefit. However, I did write beyond this. I became a Hajj guide and went for Hajj from 2008 to about 2010 or 11. As a Hajj guide, I saw the need for another approach to Hajj guides, books for people making Hajj. Because the books, generally speaking, tended to focus on the rituals, how to do the rituals right. And that's important. But it didn't, for the most part, go much beyond that. So they're very elaborate, extensive, detailed writings that came out, some nice texts, etc., nicely illustrated and all that, but all focused on the rites. Whereas I felt there was a need to focus on what was to be gained spiritually from those rites. So I developed a series of lectures which I gave to people who were going for Hajj from Qatar, called The Soul of Hajj. They may be on my YouTube channel. You can watch them there. And I had put them together with the intent of publishing them as a book. Inshallah, the writings are still there, and perhaps as I'm getting back into writing in the latter years of my life now, getting back into further writing, that it will be among the list of books that I began and needed to be completed so that others would benefit from it in the years to come. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.